everyone, I hope this email finds you well. If you haven't met me, I'm Ashley Mostowski. I'm one of the owners of First Choice Insurance. I'm here today to reach out to you with some insight about what is going on in this crazy insurance market. We are all just trying to navigate this market as best as we can. So as trying to be as transparent as possible, that's what we're here for. The great news is there is no better time to be with an independent insurance agency than now. Not only do we have the proper tools to support you during the claims process, but we also have options. So when rates are skyrocketing amongst all the insurance carriers nationwide, we've got your back and we've got your choices. We are licensed in over 13 different states nationwide. We are seeing an average rate increase right now of about 18%. Not only are we seeing massive rate increases with all of the carriers, but we are also seeing insurance companies actually pulling out of markets and not even wanting to write new business. So they're halting new business and the current carriers are increasing rates. So we're just doing our job to help navigate and find you the best possible options. The cost of insurance right now is just rapidly increasing. The amount of claims, there are more claims now than there have been in the past. The cost to repair vehicles and homes are through the roof. All of the technology in vehicles are so expensive to repair. What a $300 bumper dent was 10, 15 years ago is now $5,000 to $10,000. You have all the sensors to repair. You've got the technology in the vehicles. So while they're cool to have and to drive these vehicles, unfortunately, they're costing quite a bit on the repair end. The labor costs have increased, the supply chain shortage, cars are sitting in body shops, homes aren't being repaired because of back order supplies. Altogether, it's the perfect storm when it comes to insurance. Filing several insurance claims, including roadside service and windshield glass protection and coverage, will absolutely affect your rates. And right now, we're seeing some insurance carriers not even want to write business when you've had 3 to 4 roadside claims. So we highly recommend getting a AAA roadside membership to help with any of those issues that you run into with your vehicles, because when you file claims and call AAA for your service, they don't go on your insurance record. So actually those are really helpful because we really want to stop making really small claims because they are affecting people's insurance rates right now. And we just want to make sure you have an understanding of what's going on, why are the rates increasing, and just being as transparent as possible to you guys. On homeowners, we are seeing some slight rate increases. However, when it comes to homeowners insurance, there are some slight increases that are happening, but they're also accounting for inflation and providing, the insurance carriers are providing more coverage on your policy than just increasing rates. So make sure to pay attention, and that's what we're here for, that you're also getting more coverage versus not an actual rate increase. So what are we going to do for you at your renewal? First of all, our team is working hard behind the scenes. We're notified 30 days in advance before your renewal comes out. We take a look at your entire household, your whole portfolio. We make sure you have all the discounts. We make sure that nothing has fallen through the cracks. We want to make sure we're finding you the best options possible. And just one thing to keep in mind, if you do have a rate increase of 18% or more, we are reshopping your rates, but we're really only finding that we're moving about 20 to 30% of those clients. So unfortunately, just to show you, it is industry-wide with all of our carriers. So what can you do as a consumer? There are a few things that you have just a little bit of control over, and we want to make sure that you're aware of those changes that can be made to help find all the savings for you. Bundling your insurance policies sometimes give you the best savings, making sure your auto and your home and an umbrella are all under one roof. Whether they're in our agency or not, sometimes they still give discounts. So make sure when we reach out and ask you for those answers, that's why we're looking out for you. We want to make sure you have all the savings possible. Consider using driving apps. All these driving apps, I know sometimes it's an intrusion of your privacy, but just keep in mind, if you're driving a smart car or you have a smartphone, most of the time they're tracking your data anyway, so you might as well take advantage of it, but I totally get it if you don't want to utilize them. It does give you a 10% discount up front. You only need it for about 90 to 100 days, depending on the carrier. Usually it's just through an app. And then at your renewal, you can get up to 40% if you're a safe driver. So our Our team is trained on how to utilize and take advantage of those apps. So if you have any questions on how to make sure you are getting the most bang for your buck with those apps, please let us know. We also recommend to increase your deductibles on both your auto, comprehensive, and collision coverage to $1,000 and your homeowner's policy to be $2,500. We want to mitigate any small claims that you're filing, so this way it helps limit those. Another big discount as well is paying for your policy in full. Some of our carriers offer really large discounts if you pay it in full, whether it's EFT or with a credit card. So make sure you're asking about those discounts and those options for you. So please just mentally prepare for your renewal. Unfortunately, I wish I was coming here with better news. The insurance industry isn't any different than what you're seeing out there when it comes to gas, when it comes to our produce, just items in general that we're wanting to purchase and products out there. So we are just another one that is really taking a hit, and we're just here to help find solutions for those issues. Myself and Daniel are both here, as well as our entire team. We work tirelessly to make sure that you are given the best service. We find the best products for the best price just for you guys. Make sure that you follow us on social media. We are on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, as well as TikTok, providing fun content and tips and tricks for you. So make sure to follow us along. We thank you so much for entrusting our agency. We want to make sure you are protected and you're heard. We appreciate you guys. Thank you for allowing us to serve you.